So guys, today what we will do, first we'll create a post. Okay, so this is the already we have created one form. Okay, just we need to add here some roots and all to create post. Okay, so what it will come here guys, here there we need to write guys, like root means whatever the root I want to use. So what it will come guys, here root will come, and here because after creating, what we are doing after creating, we are storing data in database, right? So what it here it will come guys, so here post dot store will come guys, means it will store the data. Okay, so see guys, whenever we add all the things, that is title and body, and when we try to submit the data, then post dot store means it will go in this controller and it will call this function guys. This is store function, and the data will be stored in our database. Okay, so this is only this we need to include guys here, and add CSV token is must and should, we need to use that. Okay, this is title, fine. This is done. Then in index, what we need to do guys, here we need to write that, means here from here only we are creating, right, in our main index file. So here also we need to give that path. Which path means create path, here we need to give guys. So here it is root, then in bracket there is an post dot create. Okay, so whenever I will click this create post, then it will, this will call this post dot create, means it will come here, and here it will show this form. After showing, when I submit on click, then it will store that in database. Okay, and here still we are not showing whatever data, whatever post we have stored in database, that we are not showing here. Okay, so this will see guys whether it is working correct or not. So we'll go here and type here guys, localhost forward slash MVC. The name is what, MVC module only. Here we need to take like post and enter. So what is guys, posts here, right? UST, yes, it will be guys. So you can see guys, here we got post create. Okay, so this is the first thing guys. Here I will show you what is that. So here guys, post I have added. So what it is doing, it is opening this file, index file guys. Okay, that is a post create. Here we are written, right, create post. So it is create post guys. Okay, so whenever I will click on this, one form will get, see guys, this is title and body, means this is a create form. Here we have here we have taken, see guys, create form. See, it is create. So this is a create form guys. Okay, so whenever I will add here something now, and when I submit, it will store in database, that I will show you guys. So what I can add, title, this guy, this is an in company. Okay, so here what I will do, I will try to submit the data. So data is submitted, you can see guys, here it is submitted and it is redirecting again to index page. You can see here guys, data is submitted, but the data is not visible here. So that will do now, we'll make that as visible. So we need to go in our code. Okay, so in index we are showing, right? So here we need to show that data, so that we will use in our UL, where it is. Okay, here guys, we need to use for each, so we can store that data in database. Okay, means what, how much data, if it come hundreds of data also, by using this for each we can show that data. Okay guys, so post, as post we are taking whatever data is coming, then here our real content will come, then here our link will come guys. So here what link will come, whatever link is there. So that is root. This post is a common for all guys. Okay, show means it will show the all the posts, and even we need to show the id also as well. So here dollar post, and here id will come. Okay, done guys. So okay guys, this is the things, means whatever the data is coming from here guys, so this post we are storing, right? So this we are taking as here, and we're showing here. Okay, that is post dot show, and here it is dollar id. So post show form we have not created still. This show. So let me check what will it will take now. Okay, unaccepted, something is unaccepted. What is that? Hmm. For each, correct. Okay, end for each we have not done, guys. See, I forgot that. At end for each. Sorry, what is happening? Only for it came. End for each. Done. Now we'll see what it will take. Syntax, somewhere syntax is there, guys. So parser will check that also. For each dollar post as post. Oh, here it is dollar. See, guys, here it is dollar, right? Dollar post ID. Okay, here even we need to show the title also. So what I will do is here just title will show dollar post title. Okay, now we'll check whether error is gone or still it is there. You can see, guys, only title we can see here because I have taken here title, guys. Suppose if I have not taken here anything, it will show blank data. That also I'll show you. You can see, guys, it is showing blank data, right? So to show at least title we have taken this. So whenever I will click on that title, it should show the data. Okay, so oh, here it is. So whenever I click, it will give an error because this blade file, we don't have that blade file, right? So we need to create that blade file. So we'll create that now. Mm, Go here. In post only we need to create a show file. Okay. So fatafat I'll create that file. Show dot blade dot php. Okay. Then same we have to copy this. Okay, and here I have to add h1 tag. Here what we need to show, here we need to show the dollar post title will show is here. Okay, TLD title. Next we'll show here body. Okay, title body we're showing. Body will take some small things here, guys. Okay, it is very big, so we'll take p, and here we'll take anchor line, sorry, ankle. Then here what it will come, guys, comment here. So here what we're doing, we're editing the things, right? So I will go here, I'll copy these things because I wanted this all. Okay, so this I'm taking and here I'm adding, guys, because I want to edit. So for that, this bracket already it is there, so no need of this. Here also I'll remove this. Fine. So you can see, guys, here it is root. So post dot edit, here it will come instead of show, and id will come, guys, and here it is edit option. So I can edit the data for that it is. Okay, and whenever I click on edit, it should show in one form, right? So this is, if see, if you want to delete anything, that also you can do from here. So I'm taking that here, guys, that form. Oh, here it should be. So here there will be a post dot distro. Final view I will show guys how it will look. Okay, then post id, find here method will come. Method correct spelling it. Okay, here it is post. Okay, post method it is guys. Then here we'll use at csrf token. Then here we'll call the function guys, that is method delete function. Okay, so it will delete the things. And here it is button. Oh, I don't want capital. Okay, so in button there is type is equal to submit, and here delete will come. Okay, so edit, here it is destroy, means destroy means we can delete the things. Okay, then here we'll end the section guys at end section. Okay, this is done. Let me check guys how it will work, whether it will work or not. Oh, oh. Go back, enter, click on input sky. Okay, see guys, here it is showing my title as well as my body. So whenever I click on edit, okay, posts dot edit is not working. I have to check. Okay, this file also we have not done guys. Okay, so you can see guys, this show file is done, right? So what is happening here, we are showing the title, we are showing the body, and if you want to delete, you can delete guys. Suppose if I want to delete, I can delete this. See, it is deleted now. So again I have to create one more things. So you can delete also. Okay, then submit. Here it is there. If I want to edit anything, here the data will show, and when I click on edit, it will edit the data. But now we don't have that edit file, so it is giving an error. So we need to create edit blade file also. So fatafat I will create here, that is edit dot blade dot php. Okay, so here also I'll copy this fast. See, it is take, see guys, if you are typing and all the things now, so it will take time guys for typing and all. So mostly I will do without typing only, but I thought this I have to do with typing, so it will be easy for you guys to understand all the things, right? And here my form will come, and okay, so I will copy this fatafat, and I'll paste it here in my action. So here there is an update, and even here method will be post. See guys, this method you need to include only, okay? Otherwise it will not save the data in database. This one thing, and add CSRF. Maybe video will become long, but see guys, this full video so you will understand the things. Okay, at method, here what we are doing, we are updating, right? So put will come here. You can use put for update. Then your label, again we have to take first form only. So what I will do guys, will copy that index form only. Create form, label, input, text area, and button, because it will save my time as well as your time also, right guys? Okay, fine. So see guys, this is our title, this is text title, and here we need to take value that I will add. Then body, then id, body text area, then it is here, it is submit. Okay, so here it will come update. Okay, and here we have to write guys value, like for editing purpose. Okay, it is for editing purpose. So value in curly brackets, here there will be a dollar post, Here it is title. Okay, so here we're editing the title, consider. Okay, then next in body, here what will come, guys? Dollar post, and here it is body. Okay, this is text area. Then updating means what is happening is whenever we are clicking on here show.blend.file, so when I will click on this edit, that time this page will open. Okay, so I can edit the title, I can edit the body, and whenever I will update the thing, so it will update the data. Means this function will call this update this, and the data will back to it will store updated data in database. Okay, so let me check, guys, whether it is everything is correct or not. Okay, so okay, this is correct. Here it is. Then I will click on edit. See, guys, it is in edited form, like it is taking that picking that data from database, that is in Fisca, and this is company, and here it is telling me to update in Fisca. Okay, so I will write here 123. And again I will click on update. So see, guys, it is changed, right? In Fisca 123, earlier it was in Fisca, and now it is 123 in Belgium. I'm updating. Again I'm storing. If I edit, if I see here, you can see it is updated, right? Edit. Again I'm updating. It is again redirecting to index page. Suppose if you want to create one more post, you can create, guys. Okay, so here computers, mouse, keyboard. Okay, hard disk. Oh, hard disk. Okay, yes is missing. And see, again one more post I'm creating, guys. So you can see, guys, there are two posts. Whenever I click on computer, it will show this data. When I click on edit, it will show this data. I can edit computer 123, and I can update, or I can save the data back to in database. If I go in database, you can see, guys, here it is updated data I can see. Okay, if you want to delete, you can delete from here. So, and see, guys, view is not good, I'm telling you. You can apply CSS and all, and you can make a good view also. So this is the basic MVC module, guys, where we will learn the CRUD operation also: create, update, and delete, edit. Okay, so everything we have learned, guys, here. And this is my code. Suppose if you want this whole code, how to edit, update, and delete MVC module, then, guys, please comment in comment box, or I will try to give here, guys. In what is that, drive, Google Drive link, so you can take from there. Okay, and if you have any question, queries, then, guys, please comment in comment box. And if you are liking my videos, guys, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see, I have done already two parts, guys, that is part 1 and part 2. You can visit that, or I will give in I button, or in last you can see, guys, in post also. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys, and please, guys, एक तो like बनता है, so guys, like करो, subscribe भी करो.